Look at this stitch, really so good. We need multiple of 2 plus 1 for symmetry plus 2 for edge. So here I cast on stitches like this. Slip stitches and purl all the stitches like this. Row 1 with slip 1, row 1 with slip 1. First stitch we just purl. Second, we need not to here, we need under the stitch and drop. Purl 1. We need not this one but this one under the stitch. Purl 1. Knit under the stitch, and this one we just drop. Purl 1, knit to here, drop. Last 2 stitch we just purl, and this one we also purl. 2 we just slip stitch and purl all the stitches. Last 2 stitches, this one, and we done. So in third row we slip 1 and change the places. First one we knit, second one we purl. Knit and purl. Knit and purl. Knit and purl. Last stitch we knit, drop this one, and this one we just purl for edge. Row 4 we slip 1, purl all the stitches. So we repeat 4 rows all the time to the desired length. This one also.